Hello everyone, welcome to Cambridge Primary Science, Stage 6, Chapter 1, Humans and Animals. Today, our topic for discussion, the lungs and the breathing. Let's discuss about the respiratory system. This consists of the nose and mouth, trachea, that is a windpipe, and the other air passageways, that is the bronchi, lungs, and the diaphragm muscles. So this is trachea, lungs, that is bronchi shown, and this is the diaphragm. The respiratory system supplies oxygen to all the cells and removes the carbon dioxide. Oxygen is absorbed into the blood in the lungs, and the process of respiration forms the carbon dioxide as a waste product. The oxygen is absorbed here, and this process it forms the carbon dioxide as a waste product, and the carbon dioxide that moves from all the body cells into the blood and carried by the blood to the lungs, and where it is breathed out. Oxygen is breathed in and the carbon dioxide is breathed out. Breathing is the movement of air into and out of the lungs. Breathing is called inhalation and breathing out is called exhalation. The lungs are inside the chest, surrounded and protected by the ribs. Muscles between the ribs and the sheet of muscle below the lungs is called the diaphragm that makes the lungs work. Now, lungs are like a stretchy sponges that fill up with the air. Let's discuss about lungs and breathing. When you breathe in through your nose or your mouth, air travels down the back of your throat. It passes through your voice box and in your trachea or a windpipe. The windpipe is divided into the air passage tubes. One leads to the left lung and other leads to the right lung. We use lungs for the breathing and we need to breathe to stay alive. We breathe in and we breathe out. Lungs are found in the chest and they are protected by ribs. Do you know that adult lung is about the size of a football, and when they are healthy lungs feel a little like a sponge and a pinkish gray, and when the lungs are damaged by smoking they can appear gray or have a black spots on them. Asthma is a disease that narrows the breathing tubes and make it harder to breathe. So use the inhaler to open it, the air passages and allow us to breathe. So the asthma is a disease, and for opening that the air passages we have to use the inhaler for the same. Breathing. When we breathe in, oxygen from the air moves into the blood vessels in the lungs. Blood carries oxygen to the heart and then other parts of the body. We need oxygen to live. When body uses up the oxygen, it makes the carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is a waste gas that must a body get rid of. Blood carries the carbon dioxide back to the lungs, and we get rid of the carbon dioxide in the air we breathe out. We use lungs for breathing. Our lungs get bigger and fill with the air when we breathe in, and our lungs get smaller and push out the air when we breathe out. We breathe in oxygen from the air and we breathe out carbon dioxide. Misconceptions. Use balloon. It shows how lungs expand and contract during breathing. This practice made us think that lungs are the hollow organs like balloons that can fill up with the air when we inhale and collapse or empty when we exhale, like the balloon. But it is not like this. The lungs are not hollow but are spongy, made up of a numerous tiny air sacs. How fit a person is. If you are fit, your breathing rate will not increase as much during the exercise as someone who is unfit. Because in a fit people, the heart is more efficient at pumping the blood that carries the oxygen to the muscles used during exercise. So fewer breath needs to be taken to supply the oxygen for the fit people. Breathing speeds up automatically when the body needs more oxygen and needs to release more carbon dioxide. For example, when you exercise, the body needs more oxygen and needs to release more carbon dioxide. The normal breathing rate at rest in adults is between 12 and 16 times a minute, and it is higher in children. Fitness increases the efficiency of breathing. As a result, the breathing rate of the fit people increases less during exercise than that of the unfit people. The air we breathe in, it's made up of mixture of gases and does not contain only oxygen. How do divers breathe underwater? The divers have the air tanks contain the mixture of air with the same proportion of oxygen as air in the atmosphere that they breathe in, and the exhaled air is released into the water. Let's discuss some of the question and answer. Question 1. When you breathe in, does your chest get bigger or smaller? Chest gets bigger as the lungs fill with the air. When you breathe out, does your chest get bigger or smaller? Chest gets smaller as the lungs push out the air. Explain how we are able to blow up a balloon. Air leaves our body when we breathe out. The air fills the balloon and balloon inflates or blows up. Why do you think we breathe faster when we exercise? When we exercise, our body needs more oxygen, as we have discussed. We breathe faster to take in more oxygen. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe and like my channel. Bye bye.